What comes after Meteor Lake and Lunar Lake? Panther Lake. But this looks like it's a bricks edition. Let's see. 60 pieces? Let's do it. So what is Intel's Panther Lake about? In a nutshell, it takes all the concepts that we know about Meteor Lake and Lunar Lake. So it uses different tiles, the CPU tiles, GPU tiles, just like these. They use different tiles using different process node technologies. And so in Panther Lake, you have a more advanced processor technology using the tiles. The tiles are more advanced now, using the same concepts of using a base plate, using the tiles, and you fix them all together, and that's how you get a full Panther Lake assembled. And I guess that's why Intel has sent us this little Lego packet. So let's put it together. There we go. Here's our base tile with Foveros technology. In fact, Foveros is what makes the advanced packaging capabilities possible, where Intel is able to stack different CPU dies and not having to make a giant monolithic CPU die any longer. So this has been in place for some time now, since Meteor Lake, and has been advancing and getting better since Lunar Lake, and now we come to Panther Lake. Alright, so we have the compute tile, goes over here. Of course, we have filler tiles like these, just to add support to the CPU die. So when you have more advanced process options, they'll take up the entire base tile packaging. Then you don't have to use filler tiles. Well, in this case, probably for some of the Panther Lake options, you may need to use the filler tiles. So main tiles are the compute tile, GPU tile, then we have two filler tiles here, and the PCH platform controller tile is inside here. So that makes up the core tiles connected to the base plate. Now we have to put the BGA package together. I think I managed to figure out the base tile, how to get it started off, like so, if you can see here. All right, let me get the process going. Okay. You know, if processors are only like this easy to assemble, having seen them being assembled in the Malaysia's Penang plant, I would say it's a very, very complicated process. Fortunately, we don't have to do that in this demo here. In case for those of you who have not hopped on to knowing what about these different lakes I'm talking about, Meteor Lake and Lunar Lake, Panther Lake. In retail, you normally see them as Core Ultra processors, and in terms of Lunar Lake, you'll see them as an Intel Core Ultra 200 series. So that's how they've been advancing for a little while now. And now we've finally completed the BGA package with the stiffener in place, as you can see over here. All I'm left is to plug in the base tile, which has all the compute tiles within, which is this one here. So this is the actual heart of the Panther Lake that is now going to be seated inside the BGA package with the stiffener already in place here. It's this way down here with the GPU tile facing below and the main compute tile above and a platform controller tile over here, and I'm putting it in and it goes. That's it, and there's the new Panther Lake mock processor in my hand using Lego-like tiles. Check out our experiences and what we have found out about the new processor, which is Panther Lake.